We'll see how to activate the futures and options segment in Zerodha with a live demo. Plus we will also see the list of documents that are required for activating the futures and options segment. So before going to see about the activation process, here are some tips that you need to consider it seriously before starting your futures and options journey. First is strategies. So never enter the market without any strategies. There are some 20 plus strategies that you need to learn before doing the options trading. And never enter the market with naked position. Don't do only buy or sell, because the market can go in any direction, so your prediction might not always be accurate. So there is a chance that market most of the times moves opposite. Third one is firefighting. Even if you use strategy, there are specific times the market might move aggressively. In those times you need to have some extra money to firefight your position by taking new position. So if you want to know more about strategies, I have given the link in the description, you can check. So here is the slide. If you see this, entering the share market without strategies and stop loss is basically equal to jumping from a large building without any parachute. The death is basically confirmed. So because the market can aggressively move any direction, it will always go against your prediction. So that is how the share market is. So you can check the description or visit the website to get the training courses. Now I am in Kite Zerodha. So click on your ID at the top right, go to console, click on console. So once you click this, it will redirect you to the console.zerodha.com, which is the back office of Zerodha. All your funds withdrawal will be processed here. Again, click your ID, which is at the top right. So click on my account. So once you click this, it will display all the details like your name, your telephone code to contact the customer care, your CKYC number, everything. Then beneath that you will have the personal details, your email ID, mobile number. You can edit these two, email and mobile number, if you want to receive alerts in a different email, and you can do so. Then you have your bank details also. So once you update, it will normally take 24 hours to reflect this email and mobile. So you can change your primary bank account using here. You can edit. There is a fee of 25 rupees plus 18% GST will be levied for account modification. So you can basically change your bank account by clicking that button which is at the top, edit the primary bank. Then you have segment activation. So you can click on the last one. Here is the one we are going to activate our futures and options segment. So once you click, since I've already enabled, it is disabled for me. It's already checked actually. Else you have to tick mark and choose your income range. So first you need to choose which below your income, whether it is below 1 lakh or 5 to 10 lakh, and choose your income proof. The income proof can be 4 documents. It can be a 6-month bank statement, or it can be a salary slip, or it can be a demat account holdings, form 16, or IT returns. It can be anything, just an income proof to show that you are receiving income, because there is a SEBI requirement that requires you to allow you to trade FNO when you have some incomes from the from different whether you can be an employee or business, something. So here we will see the list of documents that are required. So that is because of the process they are asking the income proof, because since it's a highly leveraged product, they are basically asking. Here we will see how do I activate FNO. Just type it, click on the first link. So once you click here, you can see the bank account statement for last 6 months, the latest salary slip. Any one of the document will be suffice as income proof. You don't have to upload everything, just any one in this copy of form 16, ITR, or latest salary slip, or net worth certificate, or statement of demat holdings. I think the first 2 or 3 should be okay for you. So mostly if you have, so basically if you are using a salary slip, it needs to be sealed or signed actually. For bank statement, it's not a problem. You can directly download from the net banking and choose a document and upload it. Suppose if your file has a password, if you see some bank account statement or something will have a password, you can enter the password here. Else if you don't want to reveal your password, you can remove that password using smallpdf.com. We will see that also. Here it is smallpdf.com. So this is a very good website for merging the documents removing the password. There are a lot of operations can be done using this site. Once you enter it, you can remove the password and upload it and click the submit button successfully. So once you click it, it will be processed within 24 hours. So you can check here in Kite. Again, go to Kite, click on my profile. If you come down, you have the segments, which segments here. It will show NFO if it's activated. So today, for example, today if you are uploading, tomorrow it will be, you can go and check in the segment. If it is NFO, then you can go and trade in the futures and options segment. So this is basically how to activate the futures and options segment, adding your bank account, editing it. Now let us see the strategies which I was talking about. This is our website, basically powerpangu.com. So you can get all the courses in this website free of cost. If you don't have a Zerodha account, you can sign in using the link in the description or from the website. If you already have an account, you can refer a friend and get all the 6 courses free. You can recommend your friend about this website or send the link in the description to him or her and ask them to sign up and complete the account opening process, and send that ID to the below number, WhatsApp number I have given below. I will also show that. So here we have some intraday everything, futures and options, commodity. Here is the WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp and get these training courses free. So if you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me. Bye bye.